Looking to have dinner with your dog? Well, come on down here to the Market Common. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here at the Tidal Creek in the Market Common. Let's go check it out and see what they have. So how it works here at the Tidal Creek Brewery is if you have a dog, you can sit in the park and eat, and you would come up to the window and order your food and your drinks. And then they'll give you a number that you can put on your table. And if you do not have a dog, then you're welcome to eat in the restaurant. Check it out.
Okay, so what we did is we sat out here, we ordered our food, and they give you a number, and they'll bring your food out to you while you sit around with your dog and your drinks. And sometimes they have bands. So I got the Breezy Blonde.
Oh, how's yours? What was it? Beach Blonde?
Pretty good.
That's good. So if you're looking for an omelet here at the Tidal Creek, you've got to ask them. And today's special was the bacon, mushroom, and spinach omelet with their potatoes, breakfast potatoes.
Looks good, don't it?
Looks delicious.
And what'd you get?
And I decided to go with the chicken salad croissant. And it comes with like a little side salad, it looks like. But I also went for their delicious looking French fries. And our beautiful daughter decided to go with the egg burrito. And is that bacon, Brayton?
It's just egg and cheese.
Oh, egg and cheese burrito.
It looks like it has bacon on it, so bacon, egg, and redo that. Bacon, egg, and cheese burrito.
A bacon, egg, and cheese burrito with a side of fruit. And she also got the breakfast potatoes. From 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. Saturday and Sunday brunch. There you go. And you want some beatbox? There you go. Get your own water here. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Tidal Creek Brewery right here in the Market Common. How'd you like it, Beatbox?
I thought the food was very good, and you can bring your own dogs.
You sure can. You can sip and see with your dogs right here.
Or you can bring somebody else's dogs, I guess. So.
Do you like it, Peaches? Look, do you like that?
Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
And thank you so much for watching this channel. See you in the next one. Until next time, keep beaching.
Look, I got a good one on me.
Didn't I just say that?
Mm-hmm. Maybe. I said it better. I said it better.